Yes, another day upon the farm. May I tell you, to reap from thy own vineyard is big, good to the belly. But to steal from thy brethren's vineyard is like a dagger to your heart. Look what me I go on with, see there? In England, Junior, DeAndre and Shortman, Bumbo Clot. This is what you have on the farm, up in England. And me if you tell you now, see there? People start thief them already to blood clot. No, neighbor can get too much, everybody can get tomato, see there? We are telling you from the start. See there now we start pick. We start reap and people are reap with me too, you know. And not me alone are reap, people are reap too. In England with you know. From the farm.
Front yard.
Sure. Right now my front garden. Look what me I go on with. And some man there yard now do nothing. I talk about time hard. And I in England this. And see it there. That's how we are deal with it. The farm fruitful. Till all people start thief. I tell you. Why Junior? Come like you want on like mine. Help you with the farm boy.
Lifestyle.
Junior lifestyle. I don't know what me do it tomato boy. Come like me can go to Coronation Market. Clock. Right now we front garden boy. See that? You know worry how do but now we buy none for the next 2 months. For real. Outside. Some man we are talking about rain and rain.
One already and two are moved.
Curry me I go. Some boy if you know. At least they want to show on 2 tomato. Which is right.
Yeah, but I'm have to get that.
See there? Neighbor can get tomato.
I'm more than a dozen that, you know.
We outside, you know. Right from the farm in my garden. Can't let 2 blood clot one of the and then gone with them. The 2 biggest one with them pick, you know. People them not easy. They start reap before me. But me I tell you, as me tell you already, to reap from thy own vineyard is sweet to the belly. But to steal from thy brethren's vineyard is like a dagger to your heart.
Right.
Remember that, yeah? Them fi know. Tomato them fruitful. Everywhere me turn. Tomato. Neighbors, everybody can get. Like I know me can go curry. Coronation, but I'm going to go bull ring still instead of coronation, you know? We're going to circle on a bull ring with a couple pound of tomato, you know? So we do it. I really look a garden, you know? Well fruitful. Them fi know. Them no know. Some man a talk about time out the yard, they better go joke 1 dozen tree like me. And see what it come to. See perfection there. Finishing touch that me that showing it from them start grow. Just start beer now we start reap. Them fi know it's sweet. Cause we start reap. Out of our own garden. Them fi know that. Yeah? See that roadside.
The people.
See that? Ah, see that? My brethren buy it one day.
Yeah, man.
Right away. I know me I eat one too. Which
Nice,
is
man.
right. See there? You eat that one here too, you know. Are you going to pay with you here? Look like the raw, I'm not even wash it. We just rub it off.
Yeah, man.
I mean, one garden we get it out there.
Nice, man.
Fresh and nice. No
salt.
fertilizer.
No salt, no black pepper.
No salt, no black pepper, nothing on it. Ital, at this Rasta call Ital, me fi tell you. Look there. Bad like that.
Nice, man. Yeah, man, it is right, man.
Outside I 2 tomato in my man, you know. Half a one farm. The rubbish bin thing stay away about where, see there? Councillor Ramp.
Councillor Ramp.
Cause so them broke boy. Lisa we have tomato for you, you know. Farm start ripe and people start thief. And thief are the biggest one them. Yeah.
Right in front of the eye.
But it's good when you have somewhere somebody can thief, you know.
So bad.
I think that's a blessing.
It is.
Mm.
When such a team that I ain't gonna end over here to, you
I
know.
will tell you. People them raid my farm, Junior. Junior people them raid my farm, boy. If I call DNG and Blood Clash man for come help me.
Yeah, for continue with
Big
it.
up Sweet too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, outside.
And Steph.
Yeah,
Okay,
Stephanie, yeah,
Steph.
no man, Steph goes so she good, that she had the woman. Steph had the woman, you know? Ah! Junior, lifestyle, and Junior adventure, see there? Me have tomato like him. Me not have enough like him, but me have. Which is right. Ah! We there. The sun has shine. Place don't look bad. Outside, about 3 o'clock. Sun shining.
27 degrees outside.
Is it that much? 27? You don't feel like that, man.
Welcome.
Man, they are lying now. People, me not throw it tomato, no, me I eat it off.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I throw the seed part them. I come like I'm a breakfast. People see that. Well, give me neighbor 2 tomatoes, because I have tomato like that. Lisa, you cook with tomato? You cook with tomato? You cook with tomato? Tell people say we have tomato, I give it here. The farm come.
Okay.
Like can put by your stew chicken or what kind of meat you season.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. I give it tomato. Remember that got curry, I'll give them way. You know what I mean? Anybody who know anybody want tomato, tell them to call me. Yeah. Jamaica Life Abroad TV. We are whole heap of tomato to give away. Just call me. Tell them to turn off the TV and can ask. Me not say no. And me alone can't eat them off.
We have no fish here.
Yeah man, we are whole heap fish spear. One turn one left for the tree then. Alright, then for know. Our garden. Tomato them beer like a nobody's business. And can't stop beer. Last year I not get none frost, kill them. But this year I grab him up. Big and bad. Ah. People in the farm today again, you know. Do some reaping today again out of the farm. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Caterpillar, they funny.
I got a bill on them.
Them little green.
Where my name them in the people.
Yeah, man. But,
Why the farmer going good people.
Allotment. And then they depend them. Then they're pretty so.
You can see there. Still around. Someone is the money, somebody not see. People in raid the farm, you know. Raid the farm again. Junior, you know, stop raiding the farm, you know. Oh yeah, and DNG come help me with the farm.
Yeah, this one down the side. Yeah. Yeah. we make a fish sandwich. Make a fish sandwich with that one, right? Fish sandwich.
See there? Reap from thy own vineyard is sweet to the belly, but to steal from thy virgin vineyard is like a dagger to your heart. Remember that. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. And I'm looking farm outside, you know. So someone I do, man. Good tomato. Good tomato. I have buy no tomato for the next 6 months. Yeah. Whole farm flourish. Lord. One dozen me just speak, you know. The caliber I get one. And plus me give it some yesterday. Yeah. Fruitful. More and them people, so I people them thief off my biggest one them. Yeah. You can't complain still, that's good, you know. You can plan something for somebody steal. Which is right, in a foreign. So man that Jamaica, I know them a talk about for them go turn there and make fashion. Look where we are going, we can go curry anytime. The amount of tomato we have, we can go curry. Must eat at night, they know how tight. Then could have all blood. Then could have all blood. You have to eat at night, they know how tight with tomato. Eat there. Ah. Anybody want to wait, can just check. Just call me. Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Find the number and call me. Tomato. Any market people where I got curry can call me. I want 50 pounds of tomato, you know? But I can find 80. Just link up. You know? I call Junior Lifestyle and tell him to send me 2 customers because I have them like that. Yeah. Junior, DNG, Shartman, Stephanie. And Swede. For Swede, the man, tell him to look for me farm in England. UK to be exact. Up Jamaica Life Abroad TV. And his farm. Picking tomato. In the UK. Them for know.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.